There we go. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new Jupiter video. I don't think we ever did a video on Jupiter, so this is the first one. And it's looking good, guys. Now, Solana is pumping to 208 bucks. It is the most bullish thing around. Solana's DEX, Jupiter, is doing well because all the meme coins, the good ones, are on Jupiter. And it is pumping, and that's the biggest reason why it's pumping, because Solana has a lot of meme coins. The transactions fees are very high. Sorry, not transaction fees are actually very low, but there is a lot of them, and it's doing well. And this is the case for any kind of layer one chain, any kind of chain, blockchain that pumps and has a good ecosystem. The entire ecosystem pumps with that chain. Now, will Jupiter continue to pump? Of course, because Solana is the most stupidly bullish thing around right now. That said, we've been following Jupiter, even though we haven't been making videos on Jupiter. We have been following Jupiter on our altcoin videos. So we got these members videos over here. This is the TA Fanstab. You'll find a link down in the description. We got this TA Fanstab community over here. We got a Telegram channel. We do altcoin videos. We've been following Solana. We've been following Jupiter. We've been following 100 other altcoins, whether they're breaking or not. What's happening is good, is bad. And what you're gonna see here, what we actually did do over here is that long before when Jupiter was pulling towards downside, up here we had this very nice channel that was starting being created down here at the bottoms, which was actually very bullish. So the very first thing we're actually looking for is the breakout of that channel, which broke up here. After that, it created a new channel that went a little bit sideways up here, and then we are looking for when is that gonna break towards upside. And right now that broke towards upside. Right now we pumped big time towards upside up here. You'll see from the bottom towards top that's something like 3.4x towards upside up here. And right now it's creating a third channel that we are looking to break towards upside. So what I'm thinking right now up here at the top, we are coming some kind of consolidation pattern up here that's gonna have even a steeper channel towards upside. Once it goes, it does another one of these big moves towards upside. But I'm gonna tell you why right now the next target is around $2 up here. So that's another 50% move towards upside. And the reason for that is if you go to the little bit small time frames up here, you'll see that we are creating a third channel over here towards upside right now. It goes something like this, and you can see every single one of these channels is steeper than the previous channel. So this channel went something like this over here. The secondary channel went a little bit steeper up here towards upside out here. Not that much, but a little bit steeper. And right now this channel up here is going even steeper towards upside over here. And after that, once we actually break this channel towards upside up here, there will be create another channel up here that's gonna be even steeper and faster towards upside. When we get to that point, that we're gonna start talking about that and looking at the next target towards upside. But right now it's pretty obvious right now that this consolidation up here is coming to some kind of end up here, very close. And the next target, depends on when we hit it, might be between 1.8 all the way to 2 up here. I think it's gonna go a lot faster than that, so it's gonna be 1.8, 1.9. But the $2 level up here is also a psychological resistance, so we just might overshoot that a little bit, hit the $2 up here towards upside, and then pull back a little bit inside the channel over here. But the next target is pretty much obvious, right? $2 up here, give or take, towards upside. And once actually that's broken, it gets out of this channel, we are looking for this next channel towards upside. It's gonna be a lot more steeper and faster as well. So this actually looks very good, and there is no problem with it when it comes to Jupiter right now. I would say right now the next most obvious right now target is $2. But when we get there, it depends how high this can go. Now, oftentimes when you try to figure out how high something can go, what the price target is, and right now we're coming to this, very high top up here at 2.1. So that's also a level to be looking at, 1.1 level. So you can say that entire box up here, between $2 and 2.1 is a blue box, is a level of resistance where we might actually zigzag a little bit before we actually break that because of this stop over here. But basically very soon Jupiter will come out in what we call a discovery area, or price discovery area. And once we get there, it's really hard to figure out how high this can go. So I would say that from the very bottom over here towards the upside, up here right now it did 240%, but I would say that 10x from the very bottom is not, you know, out of the picture. So 4.5, I would say it is very easily, you know, gotten, and it only, you know, depends on the time how fast it's gonna go to 4.5, because this is 10x from the bottom, and it's psychological level of resistance. You know, every time something pumps, you know, people who bought the very bottom, they're gonna be looking at these levels, 10x, 20x, 50x, whatever, right? And then there will be some kind of selling there. I'm not gonna say it's gonna stop over here and pull back and this is the top of the bull market or whatever, but it is a level of resistance, important one that we need to, you know, keep an eye on. But in the short term, short span time down here right now that we are looking for, the only thing that we are looking for is the next target up here at $2, give or take, $2 give or take. And then after that, once that's actually broken and we get out of the channel eventually towards upside, we are looking at 4.5. Now, if you're interested in when the breakout happens, if you're interested in, you know, how this actually looks and stuff like that, do check out our members only videos, you know, altcoin videos, because we do follow Jupiter, we do follow a lot of other altcoins. And you know, the Telegram chat is nice to have. We also got a public Telegram channel. You are welcome to join if you want to do that. You know, it's gonna be nice and cozy there once, you know, the retail gets here. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Hit the like button on the way out, and you know, enjoy the day, guys. Bye bye.